Here is my turtles. There's 7 of them in here. 4 of them are mine. 3 go to a friend. I'm going to unbox them, post them to Facebook and YouTube. So I'm so cool. This is going to be difficult. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I opened it. Okay. Looks like there's 4 in here. 2 razors and 2 hieroglyphics. If I can open it. Ugh. Whoa, these are smaller than usual. Dang. Whoa, I think there's that's my comet right here. These are so small. And they're already crawling away. Look how, bogus little turtle. There's 2 of these in here. Look how small they are. They're so small. Razorback musks. Terribly small. It's awesome. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's all of them, actually. It's getting away. Is there even anything else left in here? Oh, yeah. Heat packs.
That's Jeremy.
These are small. Very small. Alright.